Kia ora, ko aorangi ngā paimaunga, ko Wairarapa te moana, ko Tākitimu te waka, ko Ngāti Kahungungu te iwi, ko Ngāti hine waka te hapū, ko Rongomaiaia te Whaiti tōku ingoa. And this is Cape Palliser. Yeah. $252 steps.
252 steps? My gosh. Who lives there?
Oh, these whare belong to our hapū whānau, stay in here when they need to get away from the world. Literally at the end.
At the end of the world.
Yeah. My practice is grounded in my belonging, who I am in relation to the whenua. I draw oral narratives, oral histories.
So tell us what's significant about this particular coastline.
This is where Ngāti hine waka hapū, so my people, were at the time that the Endeavour came past. When they came past here, they saw 3 waka set off from the shoreline, and then by the time the afternoon hit, these 3 waka had caught up to them. So at the time that they were circumnavigating the island, between the time that they had anchored in Cape Kidnappers, where they had been trading these fowl, and they had arrived along this coastline, which is 340 odd k's across the land. The news had come from there, and so those men wanted to trade. So they took with them the seasonal fruit and kaimoana, so crayfish. They were given these ship nails. There was some confusion as to what they were. They didn't seem like fowl to them, and Tupaia explained to them that these can be shaped into chisel-like forms. That was the first example of an organised trade that the Endeavour had come across on these shores. My work for Takiri, Te Kai Te Rangatira, is a sculptural form which are a hybrid of a ship nail and fowl wrapped in velvet that for me references this landscape, the relationship between my people and the sea. The Endeavour was never intended to anchor here. My people actually set off and chased after the Endeavour, which is something that I like to recall or remember in my practice. Kind of a lesson, I guess, or it's always good for me to remember that you do always have that agency. If I do something, it's on my terms. If I choose to do something, then it's on my terms.